electricity and electronics, motor controls, industrial controls and sensors to inductive and capacitive sensors. Here we actually have full-size industrial robots. You'll learn how to program those, how to service those, and actually see that entire manufacturing setup where you can troubleshoot everything along a manufacturing line and get experience that you're not going to get elsewhere. We have 3D printing capabilities. We have laser scanning systems that allow you to accurately scan an object into the 3D software and then convert that into a 3D printed model and actually edit it in 3D. The students that I'm seeing are very versed in computers. They've had a lot of experience with video games, and I think they'd be really surprised at how easily they can deal with the coordinate systems and the programmings of the robots, because they're already very familiar with the use of a joystick, and being able to see that translated into the real world with large industrial robots is something that you would not expect. The experience that you get by coming in and working with the machines hands-on is you get to hear the noises, see the motions, and you learn to actually be confident working with high voltages and these powerful robots, something that you're not going to experience sitting at home trying to do it on a virtual screen. All of the courses that you take here transfer to the bigger universities. So if you decide that you're in mechatronics and you want to move on and go even further to say electrical engineering or aerospace engineering or something like that, you can transfer all those credits within the state to any other universities. The types of careers that people end up going into with this program would be doing maintenance, manufacturing, working at, say, automotive manufacturing or the steel industry. But we also have students who have made it all the way out to SpaceX and are working on the actual reusable rockets that are being used today to go into space several times a week. And there's going to be a big need for students that can understand the controls that are involved in those types of systems. The job market for this type of work is very strong. There's actually a lack of people that are knowledgeable in all of these processes, and so there really is a lot of opportunities out there. If you're interested in the program, come out here, have a tour, take a look around, come out anytime. You can come and see the robots, come and see the electronics, all of the control systems and the scanners and that sort of thing, and see if it's something that you'd really like to give it a try. I have two sons that have both started at Jeff State, and one of them is in the computer forensics program at UAB, and the other one is looking to go into mechanical or aerospace engineering when they leave. So I think it's a really good environment. It's easy to get started in straight out of high school, even if you're an adult and you want to go back to school. This environment, the very small class sizes, makes it really easy to learn and a lot of fun.